Welcome back. In this section, we are going to see an example running MapReduce on Yarn. So, we will use command yarn space jar space and the jar path. We are using the predefined example of Hadoop MapReduce code for this course. So, the jar file is available in our Hadoop 3.2 share Hadoop MapReduce directory. So let's perform the practical demonstration of it. So let's get started. So the first thing we will check Hadoop is running or not. So for that we will type command jps. So here we see all our subsystems are working. I will go to bin directory. That is home data engineer Hadoop 3.3.2 bin. Here we have yarn. Here you can see yarn is available. So I will clear the screen. So the command is yarn space jar, and this is the jar location. Home data engineer Hadoop 3.3.2 share Hadoop MapReduce example 3.3.2.jar. So here is the jar file. This is a list of example provided by Hadoop software itself. So the Hadoop package itself provides all this example of MapReduce job. So if I enter this command, it will show list of programs available. Aggregate word count, aggregate word list, DBP, DB count, and all those are available. Basically, we are interested in program Pi. So for that, you can read out each and every program description. As of now, I am only running a single job Pi that will submit 16 MapReduce job, and at the end of the job, it will print the Pi value, that is 3.142. So here you can see the command is, instead of writing it down, what I will do is I will clear the screen and submit the job. So the command is yarn space jar and the jar file location. Program name is Pi, 16 mapper, and with 10k of records for every MapReduce task. So let's enter. So it will execute. Number of maps 16. Sample per day per map is 10k or 100k. So here you can see our job has been submitted and started for execution. So this is how we submit job for execution in Yarn. Once it gets complete, we will show you the result. As we can see, the job has been completed. Here we have submitted the job. The MapReduce program has been completed 100%. So here is the resultant output. Pi value is 3.14. So this is the way we submit a MapReduce job in Yarn. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.